Hey everyone, so today is gonna be the last video of the year, and I just want to bring awareness on the fact that your job is not gonna be your most reliable source of income at all. I just want you guys to realize that people like to see content online. So whether you have a job or not right now, I really, really encourage you guys to pick up your phone and start recording and post this content. It doesn't have to be just a video showing your face at all. You can be showing something else, but people love, they're craving content. So you probably don't even think about it right now because you feel like you got it all. You have a secure job, you have a cruisy type of life, even though it might not be the best life. Um, it is still comfortable, right? And comfort is actually a trap. In my opinion, the more comfortable you are, the the more you just feel like you don't need anything and you don't need to challenge yourself anymore, the worse it is for you. I literally am telling you that having a secure job is not going to be the way for you to be entirely fulfilled in your life unless you are doing a job such as being a doctor, or and even that, even if you're a doctor and yes you're saving lives and yes you're probably passionate about your job, even that, you could literally start a YouTube channel and start creating content about what you know as a doctor to create awareness for random people or to help people who maybe cannot access to a doctor. You know, not every country has the luxury to have doctors available to everyone. It could be very costly in some places. And you know, even as a doctor, you could just help people if you're passionate about that. Help just bringing awareness about what you know so people can live a healthy life, right? So I really encourage anyone, I'm telling you, anyone to start a YouTube channel and create content. If you start creating content soon enough, you might never need to work a 9 to 5 job. You might just be able to live off your content, helping people about what you know and just living a life of your own, you know, of doing what you really enjoy doing. And if it is, you know, just talking about that thing that you're passionate about and teaching people about that and sharing your experiences, um, or your mistakes, or you know, like you might have some um, experiences that are not so good that you lived in the past, and you could help someone to avoid that same mistake. So I did start my YouTube channel too late, in my opinion. I should have started way before, but you know, I was in like when I realized that content was a thing where you could make money. It was when TikTok just started to just explode. People were making money on TikTok just posting like 5-second videos, and I started like that, and it did work. And it was in my late 30s. So I thought, you know, hey, you know, people are really genuinely making money just doing that. So it's a real thing. It's not fake. So then after that, I kind of looked at long form videos, and that's when YouTube started. So I was in my late 30s, early 40s, well, late 30s really, when I started to put my head into it. Um, And you know what? I wish I did start earlier. I got monetized maybe a year or so after I really put my head into it. But my advice to you guys who are not into YouTube yet, you're just watching videos, but you're not creating content. My advice is for you to start that YouTube channel of yours, or even start on Instagram, TikTok if you want to, because that's probably easier. Even though I believe that if you want to get into short form videos, YouTube is also great for that. I'm literally monetized with my short form videos as well. So I do make an income with my short form videos. So if you're into short form videos, you could also just start on YouTube. And you know what? I believe you will probably be even more successful starting on YouTube than starting on Instagram. You could do both. And I did create a course where it teaches you, it shows you how I can leverage my content creation from another platform, bring it to YouTube, and actually making money from that without really putting in a lot of effort into the content creation. So if you want to look into that course, it's going to be in the description below. If you have any questions, don't hesitate. It's not a very intense course. It's less than 30 minutes, and it's going to show you exactly how I do it, what I do to monetize, to make money from my shorts on YouTube. So yeah, if you're into short form videos, go ahead, start something on YouTube. You know, it's probably better in my opinion because it's not so popular for short form content, even though it's starting to grow. But a lot of people are still sticking in making short form content with Instagram and TikTok, but it is very much saturated because those platforms are just for that, for short form videos mainly, even though you can do longer form videos, but it's not like YouTube. So YouTube is starting to compete with those platforms, and they're really pushing the short form videos. So I do encourage you guys to start a YouTube channel. Start with your short form videos. Maybe do like a long form video to introduce yourself first, and then from there, you know, you'll see what you really want to share. Um, and don't tell me that you don't have anything to share, because we all do. Uh, we all do. I'm telling you, we all do. Whether you like trading, the stock market, to gardening, to crafting, to um, I don't know, to educating your pets on how to behave, or if you have kids, maybe you have some tips that you can share with other moms and dads. So yeah, everybody, like cooking or fitness, or you know what, like mechanic, if you know how to fix cars. I mean, how many people are gonna be interested in that? You know, how to fix a car, how to do it without going to the mechanic shop. That's gonna cost you an arm and a leg. So how to save money? I'm sure you have tips and tricks. Some of you guys. So you have so many ways to share and monetize a YouTube channel that it is silly not to even start, because you don't even need to be good at editing videos. Look at my channel. I mean, come on. I'm really not the best at editing my videos. I'm making them as simple as I can because I'm not an expert and I probably need to learn. But at the moment right now, I don't have time to do that. And I'm sure we're all in the same situation. We don't want to start anything new because we're so busy. But I also know that if I want to change my life, I need to do something that's going to make me feel uncomfortable at some point so I can grow. And we're all the same. So whether you're into fitness or starting a new business or anything like that, it's going to be uncomfortable at the start, and it is completely normal. You have to go through the process and keep going. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I can help you as much as I can with my knowledge, but one thing you don't need, I mean, you don't need a lot of advice from anyone else to start your own YouTube channel. Get into it right now, because the more you upload videos, the sooner you can potentially retire from your job. So if that's a goal of yours, don't sleep in it right now. Just on it right now. Don't sleep on it right now. I think that's how I say it. I think. So start now, and I promise you things will change for the better. Happy New Year, everyone. Hope you're gonna have a blessed 2026 with like a lot of amazing surprises. And I hope you're gonna grow in a good way, whatever you're doing, because we all need to grow. We cannot just stay in the same phase forever. It's not healthy. So, Happy New Year, everyone. Have a good night, and enjoy your New Year's Eve or your New Year Day, wherever you're in the world, and start that YouTube channel. Do yourself a favor for 2026. Get into it and see where it takes you. See you guys.